Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today tutorial will see character how many times present in the our sentence or given sentence. Here we now start our program, and here we write first counter because counter start from 0. Then we have write counter, or yeah, we have count count equals to 0. Count start from 0, and here we write a variable, a string, or we have any write my string, my string equals to, we have write any string, that is we have write program is and then complete. This is our variables from user, that means my character, and here we write which character you want to find in the given string. Here we write my character, which you want count my character, that is I can't, my character, my char equals to, we have write r is double, we have write r, and after that use for loop, because of we have used count 1 2 3 4, this go in the loop. After completed, go outside of the loop. Here we write for I in range, for I in range. Here we write in range, in place of in range we have write for I in my string, because we have write my string. Here we write my string string, my string, and here colon and complete. Then if I equals to my characters, here we write if I in my character, we have write my character is r, then equals to my char colon and complete. Then we have write if character is present in the sentence, then count from 0 to 1. Here we write counter is incremented by count is incremented by 1. We have write plus 1, count equals to plus equals to 1, counter is incremented by 1, and here we write print count, we write print count. Then we have saved this and run this. There are 2 times 1 and 2 are will present in here. If we have write n in place of program is, we have write counter error, we have write error. We have saved this and run this. This is the 2 times occurrence, 3 times error. If any doubt, write in comment box. Bye and see you again.